Did you know that 4 million people in Canada are suffering from osteoarthritis? And did you know that 65% of people who are sitting in this room right now will develop some stages of osteoarthritis after the age of 70 years old? And did you know that all we can do for these people is to cut their joints and replace it with an artificial one, a very brutal and costly surgery? Osteoarthritis is a complex condition. It means that it can be caused by genetics, it can be caused by environment, or a combination of both. So it makes it really difficult to study. How do we even know that there is a genetics contribution to the osteoarthritis while the condition is so complex? This is a topic that we talk about every day. Like I say, I'm fat because my genes make me do it, but how do scientists actually get to know these things? The first approach is twin studies. Twins are 100% similar in terms of their genes, but their appearance, their traits, is not 100% similar, because we're not only our genes, we're also our environment. So if we compare the similarities and dissimilarities of twins, we can be able to estimate how much of the trait is caused by genetics. From such studies, we know that up to 65% of osteoarthritis is caused by genetics. Yet the genes that cause the osteoarthritis are not discovered. And I'm in my project trying to understand them and find them. So the question arises where I should be looking for in the genome. Our genome is composed of 3 billion DNA codes, 99.9% of which is similar across all humans. What makes me susceptible to a genetic condition which you don't have is probably located in the rest of the genome, which we don't share, and we call it genetic variation. What I do in my project is to compare the genetic variation of hundreds of people with the condition and another hundreds of people without the condition. By comparing the codes within these two groups, I can be able to tell where in the genome the genes are located that are linked to the disease. As you see in the picture, 2 of my patients here have code G in that specific position of the genome, whereas all other healthy people have another code. So probably that's the gene where I'm looking for. Once you understand where the gene is located and what gene is involved in your condition, you'll be able to interpret and comprehend the biology of the mechanism of the disease. And through manipulating and targeting the biology and the mechanism of the condition, you will be able to make new treatments and drug therapy for the condition. This will impact the lives of billions of people on Earth who are suffering right now from this painful, brutal condition. Thank you so much for your attention.